So Rissa and Quan are recently engaged, and I did the engagement ring, and I'm going to show you guys how to keep your engagement ring clean on the go, on a trip, whether you're in Dubai, around the world, or at home even, right? People keep their cars clean, their homes clean, their clothes clean, keep everything clean, but they don't do their jewelry. I see a lot of dirty rings and things like that, especially when your ring has flawless stones, right? VVS's and no fluorescence, things like that. That's the inside of the ring. You want to keep the outside of the ring clean, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on the go. This is the ring after a couple of days of wear, right? We've got a lot of dust, smudges from lotion. You even have a couple of grains of sand from the desert out here in Dubai. But we're gonna get rid of all that properly without using any professional equipment. And this is the before shot. So you can do this with your bare hands, but it helps with gloves. A lot of jewelers use cotton gloves and things like that. I don't, because those little fibers get in all over the place with these prongs. These prongs are tight on the ring, and if you have a tiny little fiber, it's going to get stuck there. So I don't use cotton gloves, latex gloves. Same reason why a doctor uses latex gloves. They don't want cotton fibers in a surgery or anything like that. So number one thing with engagement rings, you don't want to go down the drain. You want to hold on real tight. Luckily, we got a big rock over here, so it's not falling out, but you got to be careful. And it's very simple. You just get the soap on there, lather it up. Soap is okay. Right? People think you need a special solution, you don't, right? And instantly, you could see the smudges are already disappearing. And you want to kind of rub it in, lather it up. This is when your ring could come flying down and going down the drain, and then you're going to be cursing me out in the comments. So we don't want that. You never have to worry about scratching a diamond, ever, unless you're made out of diamonds, right? Because that's the only thing that could cut a diamond is another diamond. Otherwise, you could put a dental drill against this, and the dental drill will break. The diamond won't. And we get the hot water. The hotter the better. Lather it up as much as you can from every side and every angle. And this is information that a lot of people miss out on or are hesitant on. But in reality, a lot of people are walking around with dirty jewelry. You can have VVS's, flawless, you can have all that. But if there's dust and grime outside of the ring, you might as well have got an I-1 diamond. So, you know, that's why you really got to do this. Really let that rinse through. Back and front. And once you take this ring out of the water, you already see what's going on. Right, guys? So now to dry the ring. Very important part, because right now there's no dust on here, and sometimes these things are dusty. So you can dry it with a towel, but you don't want to rub in any way, shape, or form, right? Because these fibers will get caught up. Just dry it, let it soak away the water as quickly as possible, and we should be good to go. And now you're looking at the before and after shots. As you could see, a big difference. You still got a little fibers from the towel, but you know, that's gonna do on the go. Otherwise, you could get a steamer for your home and do that. But when you're on the go and you want your jewelry to be clean and sparkly, that's the way to do it.